Hey friends, for whatever reason, I'm having trouble making this video today. I think that when I'm pressured to sit down and get it done, that I trip over my words and can't remember what I want to say, and my hair makes funny, shapes. Okay, all right, business. Let's get down to business. This is a November market update, but I'm going to tell you that November was only marginally different than October was. If we look specifically at Basking Ridge, that's where my office is. A whole lot of our business is right here in town. So I'm going to give you those numbers. If you are interested in another area, just call us and I will make sure that you get the information for whatever area it is that you're interested in. Okay, so November saw 34 new listings. 34 new listings since November 1st. 10 of them have already sold. The best listing is a new listing, right? And when there's very little inventory on the market, you may feel that there's nothing to buy. And in a way, that's true. But really, what you have to look at is the absorption rate and realize that it's not that there's nothing on the market. What's happening is things are coming on the market and then they're selling very quickly. So you really need to be working with a buyer's agent who is watching that market for you and getting you into the hot properties as soon as they're available. So 34 new listings in November, 10 of them have already sold. So there were 34 contract sales in the month of November. 34 new listings, 10 of the new listings have already sold. There's 83 listings on the market today. 83 listings available. That's a very low number. And part of that might just be the normal seasonality of the market, although the word normal in 2020 really means something different than it used to. So anyway, 83 houses currently on the market. In the last 30 days, we've had 45 sales. Remember, absorption rate. It's a measure of how quickly the market is moving based on what's currently available and how long it would take to sell what's currently available based on how many sales there were in the last 30 days. 83 available, 43 sales. Do the math. That's less than 2 months of inventory, 1.8 months. If we break that down into condos and single family homes, as I said, 45 sales, we have an almost even split. 22 condos and townhouses sold, 23 single family homes sold. 32 available condos, 54 available single family homes. Still, we're under 3 months of inventory. 32 condos on the market, 22 sales, 1.5 months of inventory. 54 single family homes on the market, 23 sales, 2.5 months of inventory currently available. It's a seller's market. It's a seller's market here in Basking Ridge. It's a seller's market in Bernardsville. It's a seller's market in Bridgewater. I tried to schedule 2 properties for tomorrow to show somebody tomorrow. Both of them have already sold. They still show available in the MLS. You call to make the appointment. Sorry, it's been sold. They were only on the market 4 days. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but you get the point. It's difficult to plan a day with a buyer any sooner than a day or two before you're going. If you try to make appointments on Tuesday to go out on Saturday, anything they wanted to see is going to be gone. That's how quickly the market is moving. In Bernards Township, those 45 sales in the last month, they ranged on the properties listed from $185,000, which was an affordable housing unit in Society Hill. $185,000 was the list price, all the way up to a beautiful home on Beaver Creek that was listed for $2.4 million. Isn't that the best thing about Basking Ridge? We have housing for everybody. If you're looking to buy in Basking Ridge, call us. If you have a house to sell in Basking Ridge, oh my goodness, definitely call us, because I can promise you, if we get it priced right and we'll do all the analysis, that property will sell relatively quickly. So, how's the market? The market is really good.